Welcome to Lost in Reverie. Today, we will embark on a journey to enhance your focus and concentration, ideal for studying. Please find a comfortable place to sit, ensuring your back is straight and your feet are grounded. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or distractions. Allow yourself to be present in this moment, ready to harness the power of your mind. Continue to breathe deeply and steadily. Inhale deeply through your nose, drawing in clarity and focus. Exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any lingering stress or worries. With each breath, feel your body becoming more relaxed and your mind more centered. Imagine a warm, calming light entering your body with each inhale, and any distractions leaving your body with each exhale. Continue this pattern of deep, steady breathing as you prepare to enhance your focus. Now, imagine yourself in an ideal study environment. This could be a quiet library, a serene room with a comfortable chair and desk, or any place where you feel calm and focused. Notice the details of this environment, the light, the sounds, the textures. Feel the supportive chair beneath you, the smooth surface of the desk, and the organized materials around you. In this space, you feel completely at ease and ready to concentrate on your studies. Allow this environment to envelop you, creating a sense of calm and focus. Before we begin studying, let's release any remaining tension in your body. Starting at the top of your head, feel a warm, relaxing energy spreading downwards. Soften your forehead. Release the tension from your eyes and jaw. Allow this warmth to flow down your neck and shoulders, releasing any stiffness. Feel the relaxation continue down your arms to your hands and fingertips. Let this soothing energy travel down your spine, relaxing your back and torso. Finally, feel this warmth reach your legs, flowing down to your feet and toes, leaving your entire body relaxed and at ease. Now that your body is relaxed, let's sharpen your focus. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. As thoughts come into your mind, acknowledge them without judgment. Then, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Imagine your mind as a calm, clear lake, undisturbed by external distractions. Each breath you take creates gentle ripples on the surface, enhancing your clarity and focus. With each inhale, Draw in concentration. With each exhale, release any scattered thoughts. Visualize yourself opening your study materials and diving into your work with ease and interest. See yourself absorbing the information effortlessly, understanding each concept clearly. Imagine the satisfaction of solving problems and the joy of discovering new insights. Feel a sense of accomplishment as you progress through your studies, staying focused and engaged. Picture yourself finishing your study session, feeling confident and prepared. In this state of deep focus, repeat the following affirmations silently or aloud. Let them resonate within you. I am focused and attentive to my studies. I absorb information easily and effortlessly. I am confident in my ability to understand and retain knowledge. I am calm, clear, and concentrated. Allow these affirmations to settle into your mind, reinforcing your focus and determination. As our meditation comes to a close, take a few deep breaths, bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the surface beneath you. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carrying this sense of focus and clarity with you into your study session. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May your studies be productive and fulfilling.